guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the VANS Advisory Board Crystals collaboration with the SK8 HI EXT. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And to run into this time, an opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the VANS Advisory Board Crystals collab with their SK8 HI Extended in Ecru colorway. We've got this in the US 8.5, it's a UK 7.5, and it's European 41. So for those that don't know who Advisory Board Crystals are, they're an LA-based streetwear brand. They do a lot of menswear, clothing, and they've done a collaboration with VANS and on their SK8 HI. And if we look at the box first, you've got the crystals right there where it usually would be VANS off the wall, and it's their own packaging in this like normal brown box with the Advisory Board Crystals logo on it. And here it's the SK8 HI. So yeah, it's just your typical SK8 HI, but there's some bells and whistles that say it's in a collaboration with Advisory Board Crystals. Right here. And we'll start with the outsole. So the outsole is a rubber outsole. You've got the iconic waffle print that VANS are famous for. Obviously these were built for skateboarding. The midsole unit, as I mentioned before, it's a rubber cup sole, so it goes all around, and if you look at the back, it's got the VANS off the wall, little tab there. The upper is all made out of synthetic materials all around, and you can see the canvas upper is predominant right here. Around the toe box, you kind of got some rubber, synthetic ripstop materials that you can see right there. Just underneath there's bits of suede. Right there, if you look at the toe, it's got an ABC, that's the Advisory Board Crystals deboss right there. You've got a bungee cord lacing system instead of your typical laces. Suede paneling on the outer or where the lace units are. Again, the predominantly canvas upper, famously VANS. You can see it there with the strip right there. And then if you look at the back, you've got hits of suede paneling, then the ripstop upper made out of synthetic materials on the pull tab. And if you look at the inner, so it looks like it's a sock liner, exposed foam, tongue's nicely padded as well with the VANS off the wall logo. And if you look again at the tongue, you've got the VANS off the wall, and you should have the ABCs on a holographic print there. And then looking at the insole, you've got a foam insole with a checkerboard colouring right there. And because it's a sock unit, you kind of got like two tongues. So it's only once you look inside, you can see the second tongue. Would be a nightmare to get in, that's my only worry. And if you don't like the rip bungee cords lacing, it comes with another pair of laces underneath. I guess this is the main lacing system for the sneaker for the sock liner, that makes any sense. And then if you look behind the tongue, you've got the ABC logo made in Los Angeles, California, which is where VANS are from as well. So before I round it off, I just want to mention that this label here, if you look right here on your left shoe, it's an information label from Crystals. This is what a sample label would look like from a brand. So just before it goes into full production, they send it to the brands to approve it, and this is like one of their sample labels. So you've got community is the VANS ABC's name, this is SK8 HI Extended or EXT. The date of release, so it's fall 2023, produced and engineered with specific energy and intention. So very, very interesting take on the SK8 HI. Really excited to try these on. So roll out footage of me trying these SK8 EXTs on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size VANS fit. I'm typically size 7.5 when it comes to VANS and other products. These fit fine, perfectly. However, the problem I have with the sneaker is that it has a double tongue, and the second tongue that's just underneath the first one, so the main one that essentially makes a sock liner, is quite low, and it's a bit of a struggle to get your feet in. But once you get your feet in, despite the struggle, it's quite comfortable. Feels like a normal skate high. I know what I'm expecting. And yeah, they look pretty dope on as well. But just apart from that double tongue issue, it's the only problem I have with the sneaker. And it looks pretty dope. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.